nonsense. It's all about my life. Very excited, and I'm ready with my tripod to make good video clips to share this beautiful and awesome season with you guys. Here I am with the snow, so let's get started. My neighbor, and she is very excited. It seems it's her first snowfall too. And this is my car. I bought second-hand car to learn driving. This is Amazon truck, and I guess it's a festive season here. Snow, and look at that, it's my balcony, and I am thinking to make a snowman by collecting this balcony snow. Yeah, look at that, it is wind is very strong, and you can see how it is. In our community. Yes, look at that. It's amazing. It's really amazing, and I'm very happy to see this. Yay! Look at that. Look at that. These snowflakes. That much of snow is here after half an hour. Yeah, it's really chill. I can't speak right now because it's too much cold, and I don't want to open my mouth right now. So, yay! Tick, 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 tick. Look at that, my footprints. This is my husband's car, and yeah, it's too much chilled here outside, and my hands were freezing while making clips, so I can't hold it outside anymore, so I have to go inside. But I want to show my neighborhood to you guys, because since last night my subscribers and friends are asking for snaps, so I have decided to go around my neighborhood and take some clips from inside the car only. According to weather forecast on Google, it is a strong winter storm, and health message says try to be inside the home. and not to keep body parts open to avoid snow biting. I wanted to take some video clips, but I was finding difficulties to operate my camera, so I removed my hand gloves, and believe me, my right hand 3 fingers are still feeling like freezing after 2 days. I would suggest that if you are not prepared with your snow gadgets, you can take benefit of Thanksgiving and Christmas offers to save dollars, because jackets, boots and hand gloves are too much expensive. So if you are in such a region where you can expect snow in winter, you can get ready before snow. This is my community, and we are going outside to make some amazing video clips for you guys.
First Noel, the
Yay! We are going, and I can't say anymore because really this is my amazing winter season. I love it, love it, love it. All the glasses are blocked with snowflakes, so we are my husband are driving car blindly, just depend on front windshield because remaining glasses are blocked. And here we are going. Yay!
star shining in the east,
Yay!
beyond them far.
This is just right behind my apartment, and we are going towards Max railway station. Yeah. Look at that. It's a Christmas decoration, and my husband was trying to see, and snow is coming inside the car. Yeah. Yeah, my husband is driving me to a garden because when green grass covered with snow, it looks amazing. And look at that. I used to call little champs Dingo Baby, and look at that over there. One small boy is on the small car, and he is also enjoying this snow. Yeah, look at that car. It's covered with snow. This signal is just right behind our community, and we are going towards a garden. But I guess garden has not a parking space, so we cannot stop over there. So I think we should go to another garden, which is Hillsborough Library, and let's go there. Look at that. This is amazing. It's awesome. Look at that. So many cars. And yeah, while driving, you have to take care because sometimes your brake is not working in the snow. And like if you are new driver, then take a winter driving class. It should be good for you, because if you are moving in the USA in month of October and November, then definitely you are not that much good in driving in the USA, and especially in winter season. So it is good to take a winter driving class. And if you bought a second hand car, then check the tires before the snow, because tire traction should be good. So keep, and second thing, keep a bag of sand in your trunk to help with the tire traction in case you get stuck. And one more thing, don't use cruise control and use low gear for added traction. And look for black ice which is on the road often, and it is the major cause of skidding and reduced traction. So I will make the second video for that, that how to drive in winter season, and what are the precautions you can take to avoid accident. Look at that, look at that, this is very amazing. The grass is covered with snow, and yay, it's green signal for us, and we are turning towards left, and this is the main road. It's looking amazing. Look at the trees. All the leaves are falling down in the fall season. Yeah, this is very pretty good. Yay! The snow.
Noel, Noel, born is the King of Israel.
If you are living in such area where snow is more, or you want to go for trip in Christmas vacation on mountain or hill area, then buy a tire chains for safety side, because of snow, ice or other conditions tending to cause a vehicle to slide or skid. However, in some states, it is illegal to drive a vehicle without tire chains when the roads are covered with snow or ice. So check the laws of particular state, because here in USA every state has its own laws and regulations. So don't assume that in your state particular thing is allowed, so other states are also allowing the same thing. I have mentioned some websites for in description box, so you can check that out to know more about state chain laws and regulations.
Noel, born is the King of Israel.
Yeah, there is a one thing you can do if you are a new driver, that before driving on the totally snow covered road, you can have this experience in parking lot and open area where ongoing traffic is not there, so you can get an idea about how to drive or manage your car while it is skidding on the snow covered road. Just have this experience in known environment to avoid major accident on the road. So if you haven't drive ever during the snow falling, it might happen that sometime you have to face that unexpected situation on the road. So it is better to have this kind of driving experience without any stress and known areas, so you can get rid of panic and stressful situations. This is Intel company, and this is the parking area of Intel.
On a cold winter's night,
Yeah, it's quite a big building. This is only parking area. The original building is right behind this parking.
born is the King.
It's a really very huge parking, because so many people are working here. Thousands of people are working here. So obviously parking must be very big.
Shining in
Yay, look at that. Look at that. The grass is looking amazing.
them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it
Luckily the song is very nice and romantic. So
Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
stop, stop, stop. Yeah, look at that building. This is actual Intel building. It's gone. Yeah, this is second entrance, I guess. Yeah, this is another entrance for Intel. It's Butler. Oh, we missed one turn, so we are coming here, but it's look good. So let me keep continue recording and filming because it seems it's a factory of or something. Yeah, like this. So let's take a U-turn and to come with my husband. Yay! Look at that. These birds are coming to us, coming here to us because I guess they are finding food. But unfortunately, we didn't bring food for them. Let's go ahead and have a look. Today I can't cover all the park because I'm feeling really very cold and I can't hold anymore. So let's see how much we can. Look at that. I don't have cap for now. I have ordered from one online store, but it is not arrived yet, so I have to manage with my scarf. I am not happy with that because I wanted my cap. We are going back because it's too cold. That's all for today. I will come back with night view of snow-covered streets, which would be part 2 of Snowfall series. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays to all of you from my 121 cents. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel to see more of my videos, and if you enjoyed this amazing video, don't forget to hit like button, and please share this video with your friends and family members and tell me how do you feel after watching the snow-covered streets of America. See you next time. Till then, keep learning, being a lifelong learner.